Weight loss secrets revealed. When people lose weight, everyone wants to know their secret. Now, you too can have the secrets to safe, healthy weight loss without the hunger pangs. Here is the scenario. You run in to see me. She is an old friend of the college. She was grumpy and wore a loose shirt and blue jeans to hide the extra weight she often put on because of her fondness for Twinkies. You stop and do a double take. Is this really Simi? The face is basically the same, but the body is definitely not. The baggy clothes are gone. She wore a form-fitting skirt and top that hugged every curve. She looks awesome. What would be your first question? Simi, what are your weight loss secrets? It's a question we ask anyone who has had a total body transformation. We feel a little bit jealous if we want to lose weight. There's nothing we know other than weight loss secrets that can speed up the process, making it easier for us to lose weight and look and feel better about ourselves. What if I told you that I could tell you 2 weight loss secrets that are destined to change your life? If you're a realist, you'll probably tell me I was full of hot air. You can also tell me that you must have heard a lot of weight loss secrets and none of them did anything to help you in your quest. I am here today to tell you that I have 2 points that can accelerate your weight loss. Perhaps the most important of the weight loss secrets is something you probably already know but may have forgotten. That is, to lose weight, you have to cut calories. I know, it's common sense, but people forget it sometimes. So many people worry about counting carbohydrates or fat grams, forgetting the whole scientific process behind losing weight. A calorie is a unit of the amount of energy in food. 1 calorie of grapefruit burns in the same way as 1 calorie in pizza. One of the best secrets to weight loss is learning to practice moderation. Overindulgence means packing on more weight because your body takes in too many calories. The second secret of weight loss that I want to tell you is the key to unlocking the first one. Sure, you know that cutting calories is one of the most important weight loss secrets, but the problem is that it's hard to do. When you're hungry, you want to eat. Sometimes, you don't want to eat a celery stick or an apple. You want something that will satisfy you. Now, you're in luck. You don't have to take a diet pill to feel full and reduce hunger pangs. The new discovery of an effective weight loss product, link given in description, who has completely changed the way we look at weight loss. This product is 100% safe. This vegetable actually tricks your brain into thinking you've already eaten it. You feel satisfied, you're not hungry, and you can easily reduce your calories as you watch the pounds melt off. The given product with a low-calorie diet will enable you to achieve the weight loss results you only dreamed of. Say goodbye to the extra weight and watch yourself grow into the person you've always wanted to be. If you think you are overweight, and you want to lose weight fast, then product link given in description, please find from there, and buy it. Please like our video and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon and share our videos to your overweight friend, relatives and neighbor. Thanks for watching.